Do you want to send bulk messages to your customers for free? Then you are on the correct video. Now, I use this amazing WhatsApp management tool that allows me to send bulk messages very easily. I use Pabbly Chatflow. So using Pabbly Chatflow, I will show you how you can actually do this entire thing. So without wasting any time, let's move on forward with this video. So if you want to access Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Now, using the 100 credits, you can create this setup and send free bulk messages at least to 100 customers. So now you can use this technique to send the bulk message. So sign up for free right away. And then if you like using Pabbly Chatflow, its features and everything, I will suggest you to purchase their yearly or one-time plans that will help you to get more credits, and then you can easily and efficiently manage the WhatsApp conversations of your WhatsApp business account. So if you're planning to do so, use my code on the left side of your screen. That is going to help you to get instant and the most amazing discounts on the purchase. I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow and I am on the dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create the setup of Pabbly Chatflow, like add your WhatsApp business account number, what are the features and how all the features works, check out all the links added in the description section below. Now, I'm going to show you how you can send the bulk messages, okay? You have received the 100 free credits. Using the credits, we are going to do this entire step. First, to send the bulk messages using Pabbly Chatflow, you need to create a template. So now how you can create the template? For that, click on this add template button and you will come to the add template, new template page. First, select the category of the template. I want to market my business, so I'll select it as marketing. Next, you have to name the template whatever you want according to your requirement in lowercase letters. Select the language in which you're creating this template. That I'm going to create this template in English, so I'm going to select English. Variable, if you're adding a variable in your template, select the type of the variable. Now I want that in my template that I'm creating, I want an attractive image just like this as the header. So I will select the template type as header, but if you want, you can select any other type according to your requirement. Write the message according to your requirement over here. If you want to see the preview, it's going to appear like this. If you want to add in a footer to your template, you can do that from this section and here will be the preview. If you want to add in the interactive actions, you can do that from this section as well. And then simply submit this template and your template is going to be created. Now I have already created this template right here that I want to share to all my customers. So this is the template in the name of fashion business message I have created with the header as the image. Now the template that you have created is going to first, after creating it, will go to the pending status. Then after pending, Meta is going to either approve or reject the template. So you have to wait for the template to be either approved or rejected in order to send it to bulk people, okay? My template is already approved from the Meta side. So now let's use this template to send it to all my 100 customers for free. Now for doing that, we have this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. Broadcast is going to help you to send bulk messages to all the customers. So now we are going to add a new broadcast from here. As soon as now this new broadcast is added, first we have to select the broadcast type. I will select it as broadcast campaign as the type. Next, we have to name the broadcast. Now for the name broadcast, I'll write over here new sale message, okay? Or else I'm going to write not sale, I will write new collection message, okay? Now after that, it is asking for the contact list. Now you have to create a contact list of all your all your 100 contacts to whom you want to send the bulk message to. Create the list. Create that list inside your Pabbly Chatflow account and then simply select that list from this section. Now this is the list that I have created, so I've selected the list from the drop down. Now if you have created multiple lists and you want to exclude some specific list, so you can select that excluded list over here, or a specific contact, you can select that specific contact over here to exclude, okay? Next, it is asking either you can select the pre-approved template or simply enter a regular message right here. I will select the option of pre-approved template and select the template that I have created. Now I have to upload the image for this message over here in this place itself. So I'm going to upload my media. So this is the media that I've already uploaded. I'll insert it right here. As soon as I've done that, click on this done button and you will see the preview of the message like this. As I'm sending this message to all my 100 customers, now what we are going to do is, before sending it to all of them, we are going to first test out this template, how it's going to look like. So now I will enter my name. My name is test user. I will enter my phone number and then simply I'm going to run a test of this broadcast. And as soon as I will do that, it says test broadcast sent, and on my WhatsApp I have received this another message you can see in front of you. So the message is coming correctly. That means the message is going to be correctly forwarded to all my customers as well. So like this, you can test out your broadcast. After that, it is asking schedule broadcast. So if you want to send this promotional message to your customers for free right away, you can select the option of no, send instantly. But if you want to schedule this broadcast for later, select yes, schedule for later, and then select the date and time on which you want to send this broadcast. So I want to send this message on 16th of August 2026 at 12 p.m. So I'm going to select the date and time. As I've done that, now you have to click on this add broadcast button. A new broadcast is going to be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can see the name, date and time, and its schedule. You can see the message right over here. As you have tested the broadcast, this is how the message is going to be forwarded to all the customers for free using Pabbly Chatflow. So this is how you send bulk messages on WhatsApp to your customers for free using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions or doubts related to the entire setup that I've taught you in this video, comment down below. I will reply to all your inquiries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.